Hey, good day to everyone. Today I would like to show you how to create app for mobile. Make an Android app in 5 minutes with free app creator. Millions of latest Android apps, games, music, movies, TV, books, magazines and more. Anytime, anywhere across your device. Free and simple tool to create, download, distribute and monetize your app. Yes, you can create the app, you can publish the app and you can earn the money from your app. So these are the models from the Android mobiles. Free video calls, games, quiz, wallpaper, photo editing, media player, book reading, word search. Let's see how to create the app. Browse Google Apps Geyser. Just hit the button. It will direct you to Apps Geyser website. Make Android apps in 5 minutes with free app creator without any coding and fees. So it is a free one. There is no coding. Drag and drop your information. So that is enough. Your creativity is more important. Just click login and give your sign in with Google. Just click and address and password. Give some password and create. Yes. Created your first app now. Create now. You will have two tabs. One is business, one is individual. If you have a business, create apps to grow your business and keep your client engaged. For example, if you have a business website, if you have a YouTube, if you have a Facebook page, HTML codes and e-commerce things, you can create the app for the business. If you have an individual, create apps to monetize and generate app revenues. You can able to create the website, free video calling chat, quiz, guides, photo keyboard, wallpaper, etc. You can able to create the games also. So once you create your app, you need to publish the app. Now I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to create a quiz app. Hit the quiz app button. It will direct you to the quiz app information page. Template description. Use our quiz app maker to make a quiz. Read the descriptions. This is a template description. You need to have the app settings so that the game background, whatever background you want, you need to give the background to the game. So that I'm going to attach some images. Just click attach image and choose the image, whatever image you want. Just choose. I need to choose this kind of image. Just click open. So this is my background image. Add list of categories, category name. I just give, for example, I'm going to give some COVID-19 awareness. So if you have a category image, kindly attach the image. Just attach. If you want, you can crop the image. My background is attached, my category image is attached. Now I have question types. There is text question, image question, scratch question and 4 images. You can choose whatever you want. And answer type, true or false, or build from letter, 4 images, multiple variant you can give. Now I am going to give question text. Question text: in which country was COVID-19 first reported? The correct answer should be mentioned here, then only the system can analyze, and incorrect options you need to give. Yes, if you want to add more question, just add more. You can add more question. You want to add more question, add more, and you can add more question. So my third question: what are the most common symptoms of COVID-19? Give your correct answer and incorrect answer. If you want to add more question, you can add more question, otherwise leave. And you can choose the text color and button color if they are going to submit the button. See, our background is in black, so I have chosen text color and button colors. You can choose whatever button colors you want. If you have upload current answer sound, for example, if you have audio files, you can upload the audio files. Incorrect answer means you can give the audio files, and background music also you can add. Yes, I almost done for the template creation. I just click next. Template description and app name. Give the app name COVID quiz. Give a unique name so that your app will be visible to the Play Store. Click next. Yes, if you have your app icon, you can have the app icon. Click custom icon. You can upload the app icon image, otherwise you can leave it as a default icon. I just select and click upload my icon. Just select my logo and upload. Yes, my app logo is updated here. Click next. Yes, the final stage, you can able to create. Hit the create. Your app is ready. You just download the APK. Hit the download button. It will direct you to the app download option. If you want to publish your app, you can able to publish the app. Just click the publish button. It will direct you to the publish option. So you need to pay around $25 to publish your app. So you don't want to spend the money. Just go to and scan QR code. You can share your app to your friends by Twitter or Facebook also. It is available. You can scan and download the things. Your app is ready. Just click and download. Yes, my app is downloading here. Now I am going to demonstrate on my app what I created. I sent via mail. I just click and download my app. My app screen is available. Click download. My APK file is downloaded here. COVID quiz APK. Just click and install. Continue. Install. So my application is installing. Just give the permission. Install anyway. Just click open. My application is ready. My background image is here and COVID quiz play and settings is available. I just click play. My categories is available. I already placed the photograph for the COVID. Just click category 1. Yes. In which country was COVID-19 first reported? I just select and click next. Yes, excellent. You got 50 score. Next, what is the COVID? I just press the place of China. No, my answer is wrong. You got 0 score. And third one, what is something all above? Yes, I got the things. Finish quiz. So my result also is available. Similarly, you can create your app, publish in your Play Store, and you can share with your friends. Once they download and use the app, you will get more money. In this pandemic situation, you can earn money with easy process of creating the app. Those who are interested, you can able to create the app. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.